Namaste. In this video, we will learn about Charvaka Darshana or the doctrine of atheistic materialism. It is a purely Nastika and Avaidika Darshana, which means that they do not accept the existence of Ishvara and also disapprove of the principles of Vedas. The term Charvaka is derived from Charu, which means agreeable, and Vacha, meaning speech, thus giving the meaning agreeable speech. Another opinion states that it is derived from the word Charva, meaning to chew or to eat, because it preaches the materialistic doctrine of eat, sleep, and be merry. Charvaka Darshana is also called by the names Lokayata, that is directed towards the people, and Barhaspatya after its founder Acharya Brihaspati. The primary scripture of Charvaka Darshana is the Brihaspati Sutra, which is lost in the due course of time. The whole epistemology of Charvaka can be understood by this sloka. Yavat jivet sukham jivet ranam krutva ghritam pibet bhasmi bhutasya dehasya punaragamanam kutaha. Its meaning goes as follows. When you live with sukha, borrow money and drink ghee. That is, enjoy the pleasures of life without any thoughts. Because when the body is burnt after death, from where will it return back? We can understand the materialistic beliefs of Charvaka Darshana from this sloka. Let us have a closer look at their ideas. They accepted only one pramana, that is pratyaksha or direct perception. They disapproved of anything which cannot be perceived directly by their senses. Truth is only what is perceived directly. The king of the nation is the Ishvara. There is no other Ishvara above him. The whole universe is made out of 4 Mahabhutas. The fifth one, Akasha, is left out because it cannot be perceived by the senses. Atma is considered to be the living body and Moksha is the destruction of the body or death. The elements of the universe occur naturally as explained in Swabhava Vada. They believed that Sukha is the most important Purushartha. Even though the ideas of Charvaka Darshana were never backed by Ayurveda or the other philosophies, the questions raised by the followers of Charvaka Darshana have played a key role in validating the ideas of other schools of thoughts. It paved way to evidence-based and rational experimentation in Indian philosophies. Acharya Charaka has indirectly accepted the views of Charvaka Darshana while explaining the protection of health. Sarvamanyat parityajya shariram anupalayet tad abhavehi bhavanam sarvabhava sharirinam. Health should be maintained, leaving all other matters aside. The absence of health means that nothing else can be provided to the body. Ayurveda has also accepted the Swabhava Vada to explain concepts like Swabhava Vyadhis like Jara Vyadhi. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook.